Hi, this is Dr. Russ. You may have thought that there's something different about this class because we've used videos and a lot of the course materials are online. And you're exactly right. This course is different. In fact, this is the first time that we've taught a course this way. It's called blended learning. And I'd like to tell you a little bit more about blended learning so that you'll have a better idea of how this class is going to go before we really get started. So let's look at blended learning. I think the best way to understand about blended learning is to compare other courses with this course. Other courses may not use technology. As you can see in the picture on the left, students are in a classroom and the instructor is up at the front writing on a blackboard. But look at the picture on the right. Students are using some kind of technology for most of their activities. They're either in a computer lab using a computer, or maybe they're using their mobile phone. But they're all using technology. And you're going to also. In other courses, like we saw in that picture earlier, the instructor and the students are all in the same room at the same time. In this course, the instructor will be on video. The students will still be in the classroom, and they won't be alone. There'll be a lab assistant in the classroom to help if they have any questions or problems. Most courses use all hard copy stuff, textbooks and handouts. Many times you have to print the handouts yourself. This course uses mostly soft copy things, ebooks, PDF files, and things, so you don't have to print anything if you don't want to. You can just look at them on your computer or your phone. And that can save a lot of money. But how we do blended learning is a little different too. For example, let's take assessments. In other courses, you take quizzes and tests. You may write a few papers, and there are midterm and final exams. When we do online learning, we write mostly papers, different sizes, short, medium, and long. We probably won't have any quizzes and tests, but if we do, there'll only be a small number of them. And there will be no midterm or final exams. Let's talk about where to find course materials when you're doing blended learning. We're doing this course using the Moodle Learning Management System. And when you enter your course, the first thing you'll see is a section called General at the very top. And it has a number of colored boxes below it, which are things that you need to see or do. When you first get into the course, look at everything in general carefully, because it has things like the syllabus and the requirements for the course. The rest of what you see below general is there's a big heading for each week or unit of the course. And once again, it has colored boxes in it that have things that you need to see or do. Just click on those boxes to open them and see what's inside. So at this point, you may be wondering, yes, this class is going to be very different, but you don't need to worry. A lab assistant will be there to help you. And you can do this. And here's how I know that you can do this. In 2022, we taught this course, and I had to go back to the United States before the class was over. And I interacted with the students using only email, and it worked. The students did a great job. Well, Moodle, the learning management system, is even more powerful than email. You do everything in Moodle. And I'm sure that you can do this. So let's get learning.